Let's start with the diagrams first. We have a tile size exponent to diagonal offset that is going to take the tile size and get the origin of the data that we are looking for. We also have another lookup table that is going to take the layer and offset to the correct type of data. So on this layer, we could be accessing tiles, or on this layer, we could be accessing bombs, or on this layer, we could be accessing Fata. We have some math explanations here, and then I made a mistake. Let's go back up to the top of the file. You can get the source code here, by the way. Here's the lookup table for the tile size exponent to diagonal. We enter these tile size exponents, and it spits out these diagonal offsets. You can see there is a progression of adding powers of 2 here. We're going to air check the math here. Then we have a paired set of lookup tables. The layer converted to the lateral multiplier x or y. So we put in a layer 0 and we get out 0, 0. Layer 1 gets 1, 0. Layer 2 gets 0, 1. And these are the different cell locations storing either tiles, bombs, or Fata. Here we're checking our math and making sure it's correct. Monkey wrench macro. I swear to God we'll do this next. What we did previously. Fix a footnote marker here. Some more footnotes. Diagrams we already went over. And this is what we did previously. You've been here. If you want a deeper explanation, you can go here, but we don't have time on this playlist. You have been on video 165. Like and subscribe.